Welcome yet again for another episode of Cooking Unlocked. I'm Elizabeth Locke, and today we're making grilled cheese sandwiches. And we thought it would be really fun if we tried a brand new product. It is the red copper flip witch. Hard to say 3 times fast. Red copper flip witch, red copper flip witch, red copper flip witch. We love grilled cheese sandwiches in this house, so we thought it would be really fun. But before we go on, let's talk about ingredients, because fresh ingredients are super important. We've got vegans in the household, vegetarians in the household, so we're gonna do a little bit of both. We've got a vegan pepper jack cheese. We've got our personal favorite, English coastal cheddar. We've also got some Swiss cheese, and then we've got some vegan, very much like a mozzarella, so we can do a mix of the vegan cheeses. Then different people like different toppings in their sandwiches. So we've got the green hatch chilies, we've got sliced Campari tomatoes, we've got sautéed onions. So let's get started. First, let us unbox the new fun item. So from everything I've read about this fabulous flip witch is that you don't need to use butter or oils. Because you get to flip it, you get perfect browning on either end. So I'm super excited about trying it out. All right, let's get our stove up on high. And we're gonna start with the vegan sandwich. When you're cooking in a household with multitudes of dietary restrictions, I start with the greatest dietary restriction first. So if I was also making my gluten-free items, I would start with gluten-free item first, rewash my things, then go to the vegan, then move on to the true vegetarians, or if I was making meat, I would go to that. So I'm in stages, but I'm still very organized in my thought process. So first, I am going to slice up my crusty bread. Two pieces, beautiful bread. And we are going to do the pepper jack. And a bit of this veggie mozzarella. All right, so we've got our crusty bread, our vegan cheese. We're going to close up the flip witch. We're gonna squash it down. Close up the handy handle. And here we go. Let's see how this works. The anticipation is killing me. For those of you that do not have a flip witch, here's a great hack for making grilled cheese. My kids like grilled cheese, you know, spur of the moment. So oftentimes it's just sliced bread and whatever cheese we happen to have in the refrigerator. If you pre-toast the bread, now it's already a little bit crispy, then you butter it, put it in the pan, put the cheese, close it up. You've got it perfectly browned, grilled, it's fast. They don't have to wait so long then. Because after a long day at school and perhaps a several mile walk home, they're super hungry. It's always fun to try out a new product. Sometimes they're glorious. Other times, meh. Let us see what today holds. It smells like toasting bread, so I'm going to presume it's time to flip the witch. As with all products, the first time you use it is always sometimes a bit of a surprise. So we're gonna experience this together. think that we are ready to experience this together, shall we? Ooh. Ah. Not bad. But let us see out on the plate what we're dealing with. All right, let's see. Let us see if this is a crispy and delicious item. Ooh, do you hear the crunch? Super crunchy. Didn't use any oil or butter. Pretty melted, and for vegan cheese, that's not bad. It's a nice, crispy, very nice. All right, well, let's continue with making some more grilled cheese sandwiches. All right, for our next sandwich, English coastal cheddar, some sautéed onions, some sliced tomatoes, Campari, because they're lovely. Close up the sandwich maker. There we go. Alright. It's kind of fun to use a new item. Alright, let's flip her. The smoke is coming from the cheese, not from the bread. Perfect. It looks perfect. That wasn't even what, a minute and a half? That was like a minute and a half for a grilled cheese sandwich. All right. Next little one. Again with the English coastal cheddar. Whoops. Try not to get it on your burner. And we're going to do some green hatch chilies. Sandwich maker down. Bam! Flipped it up. So what have we learned today? We've learned that new products can be fun. We've learned that grilled cheeses can come in a multitude of different flavors. You can really use any kind of bread or pita or English muffins or any of those things to make a sandwich with some delicious melted cheese. And vegan cheese, regular cheese, whatever cheese. A grilled cheese sandwich is always tasty. And there we go. Well, that really couldn't be any faster. Deliciousness, incredibly quick, and I didn't use any butter or oil. That's pretty fantastic. Thanks again for joining us for another episode of Cooking